severe thunderstorm warning for Collin County in north central Texas, northeastern Dallas County in north central Texas, northern Rockwall County in north central Texas until 6:15 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Plano to near University Park, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Severe thunderstorms will be near Plano around 5:25 p.m. McKinney around 5:30 p.m. Garland and Parker around 5:35 p.m. Allen and Lucas around 5:40 p.m. Richardson, Saxe, Murphy and Fairview around 5:45 p.m. Dallas and Garland around 5:50 p.m. Rockwall and Lowry crossing around 5:55 p.m. Wiley and Princeton around 6 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Buckingham, Josephine, New Hope, St. Paul, Blue Ridge, Boise, Nevada, Lavon, Westminster, and Weston. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away